Right on center line, hit the brakes. Forget left wing down, stop, that's good, stop, left wing down.
Just
yep,
get
yep.
this.
Wait, as soon as you get that done, yeah, there you go, left wing down, max power with the brakes,
Oh, yeah.
Okay, and all the engines run up, and then you're gonna roll, now roll.
Okay.
Center line. Airspeed's alive, call your speeds.
40, 45.
Let it crab, we're good. Get to 60, climb out at 60, There you go, don't go any faster than 60. Don't go any slower than 60. Yeah, you bleed off a lot of airspeed pretty quick.
Yeah, real fast.
Especially with the flaps down at 10, that's why. Okay, now you're gonna say, I'm clear all obstacles,
Yeah.
drop the flaps to the floor, just drop them. Get the nose up if you want to keep going 60, or you can go to 75, your choice.
Alright.
Alright?
I like more speed.
Yeah, that's fine.
Nice and bumpy.
Yeah, it's a bumpy day. We'll see how Hilliard is. If Hilliard gets ugly and stupid, we won't play there too long. I don't want to scare myself. and that's not a reflection on you. I scare myself when I fly in some conditions. Like, it's just not fun. All right, let's early turn. We're above.
Turn.
And just start heading toward, Libby. We'll start heading toward Libby. We'll go to Libby.
Furlong traffic, Skyhawk 1100, left crosswind departing to the north. Furlong.
So the one thing you're going to figure out is that, there's got to be a way. Oh, you're going to Libby. Let's go direct. You know how to do direct on yours? Okay, let's try this. Where's the flight plan? We'll go flight, come on. Show me the flight plan, thank you. I don't know how to use ForeFlight. Let's see, 01J. And
Just take Libby and then take it out of there.
Okay, here, come right 20. Come right, we got to go over those white buildings. I'll get you there for now. See if you can figure out how to do direct. I don't know how to use ForeFlight, so see if you can figure out how to do direct.
Yeah, I know how to use it when there's not a glare, and I got to figure out how to. Yeah, I know.
Here, let's do this. White House traffic, 1100, be transiting airspace next 10 miles, White House traffic. Alright, I think we can go over. Let's try and go over. Come right 10. We'll figure this out. 75, right 10. I'll keep you clear of any. We're just going to go over the Class C airspace. Got an airplane right to left, not a factor. Alright. So now I know. Get out of my way. Alright, there you go, my friend. And then where's your little zero thing that says it's in the upper right? Oh, there, yeah, you can do that. There you go. Alright.
Okay.
So you need to be above 4,000 by the time you hit this. Okay?
Okay. Yeah, I think we can do that.
So then the next thing I would do is get up that approach airspace and have that in for the back. So, I don't know how you do that.
One, 2, 2, 9.
Where do you see? No, that's CTAF. No, let's get Jax up. I can give you local Hurlong Jax. Here I go.
You want Jax?
Yep, Jax approach, because you're going to be going to monitor once you leave here. Jackson Pro, you go 122775. On the back. Watch your airspeed. That once we're clear here, we'll dial up Jack's approach and we'll monitor that. There you go. Now you're set. All right. Hey. Education.
White House traffic, you got white 17266 Golf. We are about 3 miles city airfield. 2 incident stalls at 2,500 feet. White House.
Yeah, Jackson International right there.